guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you've had a fantastic 2014. I know I have, because we've had many trading opportunities and events here at RB Options and some amazing rewards this year. And 2015 promises to bring you even more bonuses, payouts, and rewards. So listen to what we have for you guys today. So to celebrate 2015, that's New Year's, new beginnings, we're going to offer you an amazing reward this time. If you're tired of only keeping your New Year's resolutions for no longer than a day, I know mine is normally to go to the gym, but I don't actually make the membership. Well, now you don't have to worry, because you can become a professional trader and even go pro with RB Options. Become a binary options hero with our amazing giveaway. It's a GoPro camera, and you'll receive this when you trade with us, the #1 broker. So you can share the world around you and show off to all your family and friends all your happy memories. The GoPro camera features stunning image quality and powerful features, and is incredibly versatile and easy to use. Now the terms and conditions are like this. You simply invest 5,000 or more into a gold account or higher. You receive the 100% bonus to trade with, so it's amazing. Not only are we giving away a camera, but also a 100% bonus. You can go to this link, binary.rboptions.com/GoPro. That's binary.rboptions.com/GoPro. Or click on the side banner on our homepage. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is our homepage and this is the side banner. You can see here it says become a binary options hero with our New Year's giveaway in a nice little box. You can also, by the way, scan here and this will take you to our trading app so you can trade on the go. So I'm going to click here and you'll see this is the link I've just mentioned. This is a form you can fill out. Now this will go to support, who will then contact you about opening an account. If you have an account already, you can email here cs@rboptions.com or call in or live chat or speak to your personal broker. The terms and conditions are here. The eligibility, it's offered until 20th of January 2015. So you guys better jump on that right now. And here again is the banner. So thanks for listening, and again in 2015, if you stick with us or open an account today, we promise to offer you even more bonuses, more giveaways and higher profits exclusive to RB Options. Thanks and Happy New Year. Bye for now.